Now keep your promise, Sergey.
I think not, my turtle dove.
Fernando, can you move?
I think so.
Now's our chance!
Randy, take the controls.
How did you pay for the chopper?
I didn't, though it did occur to me that the best time to steal it was when its owners were at the underground Street Yacht Fight.
What the f*** is that thing?
It's a Gauss Rifle. I found it at their weapons depot.
That wasn't in the catalog.
Now to finish the job.
Is that my Gauss Rifle?
Don't fire that thing! Oh!